Today, I will teach you to make a DIY face mask for just $120, but this is natural. It will work very well and is better than any expensive cream. Not only is it cheap, but it is also anti-aging. This will tighten your skin. It will nourish it, and if there are any blemishes or old scars on your face, it will lighten them too. If you have acne or small red dots, then this will work for them too, and will give your skin a fresh, young, and healthy look. Apart from this, at the end of the video, I will also tell you one extra thing which if you add to this mask, it will take your skin to the next level. And since this video is very short, so you should try to watch it till the end. Now, what will we use to make this face mask? We will use egg white. Yes, egg white. All you have to do is take out the egg white separately in a bowl. Whisk it a little. Whisk it and then apply it on your face with the help of a brush or even with your fingers. Apply a thin layer over the entire face. Now wait for 15 to 20 minutes until it dries. This will tighten your skin. It will give you a young and fresh feeling. So this is a simple remedy, but now we will take this face mask to the next level. Would you like to guess what the extra thing is? Let me give you a hint. This extra ingredient contains a lot of one thing which is lacking in every other human being, and that is vitamin A. The less vitamin A there is in your body, the more your skin will look rough and lifeless. And Itatium's not just vitamin A, it also contains vitamin D, vitamin E, B vitamins, and choline. Now, all these things work magic for your skin. If you guessed egg yolk, then your answer is absolutely correct. Because since you are using white, why not use yolk? Egg white tightens your skin, targets wrinkles, but yolk gives direct nutrition to your skin, especially vitamin A and the other nutrients present with it. And after 15 to 20 minutes, wash your mouth thoroughly with warm neem water. Dry it gently with a towel. Use it twice a week. The biggest advantage of adding yolk to it is that it increases the healing and regeneration power of your skin. And if you want, you can also add 1 spoon of plain curd to this mixture. This will support the microbiome on your skin, which is the good bacteria. But you should not use packaged curd. You have to use normal plain curd. This is a very inexpensive but powerful anti-aging formula. Apply it once or twice a week and include more eggs in your diet and not just on your skin. You can eat 2, 4, or 6 eggs in a day. I eat it myself too. Most women do not fulfill their daily protein intake. According to your body weight, you have to eat 1 gram protein per kilo of body weight at least. This is the minimum. I have also seen females who eat 5 eggs a day without any problem. Egg is a superfood. This is the best quality protein you can get in the world. Eggs can be boiled. You can eat 2, 4, or 6 eggs in a day. I eat it myself too. Most women do not fulfill their daily protein intake. According to your body weight, you have to eat 1 gram protein per kilo of body weight at least. This is the minimum.
I have also seen females who eat 5 eggs a day without any problem.
Egg is a superfood. This is the best quality protein you can get in the world. Eggs can be boiled.